Senator Makisi Richard Onyonka wacho ni piny Kenya nyaka bed gi luoro kapo ni weche manowachi gi manen jatend migao mar jotije piny owacho Justin Muturi gin weche madiera. Koloso Nyabondo Mosocho e kaunti ma Kisii e kinde nyasi mar iko mar jaohala moro, Onyonka nowacho ni weche mane Muturi olieko ni jatend piny Kenya en jamibadhi kendo jal ma ok osebedo ka dewo pach jotend migepe en gima kare kendo ok en yo moriere kaka piny Kenya owinjo ta. Omedo ni kaluwore gi neno makamago nitiere dwaro mondo mi od bura mar Senate ochak nono weche mane Muturi liekogo.
So when they are man, and I am maybe the money was no more was than no. So when they are man, and I am maybe the money was no more was than no. There's a gentleman who has been a Speaker of the National Assembly. The gentleman has been a person of credibility and integrity. He has been the Attorney General. So when the Attorney General of your country tells you that your president is corrupt and your president is dangerous and your president doesn't know what he's doing, I am a worried man. And I am asking members of the Senate to immediately start proceedings to find out whether what Justin Muturi has said, right now, we are losing about 100 billion shillings a month to corruption. So we are waiting for somebody, and some members of the Senate are talking about it, Okiya Omtatah is talking about. In fact, I'm persuading my friend, Sifuna, to bring the motion. Let's interrogate that question. Is it true what the Attorney General has said, that our president is completely corrupt, is a risk taker, and every single transaction he does is a deal?